Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know me, my name is Barbara and I am a vintage, pre-loved, pre-owned handbag collector, and I am the worst YouTuber you will ever meet because I do never upload videos. So that's why for August, my birthday month, I will be uploading a new video each day. So it's gonna be 31 days of madness, 31 days of unboxings because I have to unbox them. I have so many bags, accessories, shoes, like clothes, everything to show you guys that I just need to start. So let's start this month with my favorite brand ever, Chanel, and of course we will have some vintage Chanel for the first day because I just love it. So let me take, oh, that's my address. So yeah, the box is pretty big, like, no, that's fine, it's nothing like extremely huge. I should hide my address and I didn't, and this is not great because I cannot show the box. That's not very smart. Okay, not very voila, I could rip it better like this. So now let's just open the door and then the box. And if you don't know me, you might not know that my English is quite bad, so forgive me for the mistakes that I will be doing. So let's open this. I bought this bag for what? I don't even know. I just bought it because why not? Like, do you really need a reason to buy Chanel? Like, I don't think so, but I always try, you know, to find a reason to do that, which is not very necessary. Alors, ooh, I can already see what is inside. Alors, oh, little accident. Oh, they put the name on it, which is, I don't know if you guys can see, it's written Chanel Chain Tote Braided Straw Leather Beige CC Authentic AR6003. This is so, like, the description is really long and there is a little tag. Alors, let's see this baby. Okay, I will try to be careful with it because it's a quite delicate bag. And I'm seeing a few spots that I didn't see on the listing. So let's open it. It's always annoying with unboxings when you have, okay, to unwrap everything. So this is the new baby, the vintage Chanel straw or raffia, they said straw bag. I am in love. So why I bought this bag? Well, I think this was a deal. I think I paid around $1,800 for the bag, which with the new Chanel, I have a little spot on me, with the new Chanel prices, in my opinion, it's a quite good price. I really like, you know, this straw details and the triple cocoa, like the triple CC here. and you have this beautiful gold plated chain, which we love. And let me check inside. So, okay, we are done. So it comes with a little pochette, and it's okay. Can I? No, I cannot. I cannot take it off. It's attached to the bag, and you cannot remove it. And the pochette is quite big because, as you can see, it's a little bit more half of the bag, and it's quite great if you want to put stuff inside the bag, like your feminine stuff and things you want to hide. And let me see. Okay, and otherwise there is no pocket, there is nothing. It's just like a real tote. Here you have the Chanel tag. It's a Chanel made in Italy. And I don't have the original sticker inside. At least I cannot see it. But yeah, I'm quite happy with it. Oh, and you can actually remove the straps, because you have this little hook and you can just remove it if you want. And to close it, you have a little button here and you can close the bag. Now sometimes I don't read and I don't check all the listing. Oh my god, I have so many spots on me. Catastrophe. Oh my god. Delete it. As I was saying, sometimes when I buy, I am so like excited, or I just don't check the pictures and the description, etc. And then, oh my god, I receive bags with some defaults, and I think I wasn't expecting this, so I don't know if I will be able to show on the camera, but I think yes. Can you see the little spots, dark spots on the leather? I wasn't expecting for this. Yeah, they are little spots, but I don't know if I will be able to do something about this. Otherwise, I really think it's a beautiful, let me sit like this. It's a really nice summer bag. And as I said before, I really wanted a vintage raffia or straw Chanel bag in my collection, because I really love the style and it's really chic. It's not like, I don't want to seem like, okay, let me try to explain my thought about that. Raffia sometimes it can look a little bit cheap, and that's why I think that's why I wanted, like a Chanel straw bag, because this is something you can just like, it's just going to upgrade your look. I think that's the idea, but it's not really the idea. I'm just trying again to find excuses to buy a new Chanel. And to be honest, between a bag like this and, for example, the super famous Prada straw bag that it's almost the same price as this one, I do prefer to go vintage Chanel, especially because you have, like the bottom of the bag and the top and the chain, it's leather, and I think it's gonna be more durable. I don't know from which year this bag is. If I find it, I will try to put in the description box. But yeah, this is definitely, I think, a bag from the late 90s, early 2000. And voila, like there is no big info about it. Of course, the condition is not perfect, but I mean, when you buy pre-loved and when you buy vintage, it's really rare to get something like pristine. And for me, it's okay because I feel more comfortable to wear a bag that has been loved before and that has a few spots. So I can just grab it and wear instead of, you know, getting a brand new bag that will cost you like 2 organs. And I'm not comfortable when I wear it because in my opinion it's just like stressful. Like I don't want to, you know, ruin and add any spots. So the little few bags I bought them new, they are still in their boxes and I don't wear them, and I don't think that that's the point. When you buy a bag, it's, you know, to enjoy and live your life, and I'm really comfortable with vintage bags. That's why. Voila. So let me know, guys, if you liked it. I can't wait to style it, but otherwise, je suis en amour. I'm in love with this bag. Let me know what you guys think about it, and rendezvous tomorrow for a new unboxing. I don't have the planning in my head, but I think it's gonna be like some Dior. So rendezvous tomorrow, and so you can figure it out. Bisous, bisous, and I see you tomorrow. Bye bye.